Good morning. It's great to be here. It's fantastic opportunity for us. Never been called a payment expert before, but I hope you find the next 10-15 minutes informative. Slightly different, I guess, in terms of talking about traditional payment rails and bridging the gap between the digital and physical world. It's been a long time since I've actually stood on stage. You can probably hear a little bit rusty, but as I say, I hope you find the next few minutes really interesting, and looking forward to networking afterwards as well as we continue this discussion and really helping you on this journey. So that's basically, we're connecting the digital and physical world. So let me jump into the presentation. Let me tell you a little bit more about the Stanhope Group. There's three core business lines that we operate. So we have Stanhope Capital, SH Capital, which is an asset management company based out of Dubai, regulated out of DFSA in the DIFC free zone. We don't get too involved in it, to be honest, on the payment side, but we do service a lot of their customers and open bank accounts for their clients. Stanhope Digital is a proprietary trading platform. It's an OTC. We buy and sell crypto. Sister company, not connected directly to Stanhope Financial, but we do work very closely with the company. It's regulated out of Dubai, but it also operates a VASP, a virtual asset service provider license out of Lithuania, which is what's powering the DAP in terms of this offering to yourselves. So, and then lastly, Stanhope Financial. So we're in EMI. We're regulated out of Lithuania as well, based in the UK. But an EMI is basically one below a bank. We don't lend, but we can hold client funds, we can open bank accounts, we can service all your payment requirements. And really what our vision is, as Stanhope, is to aggregate financial services to enable you to make your payments and to receive payments, basically. And we do that in a number of ways, between domestic rails, international rails, etc. So let me tell you a little bit more about what we can do as Stanhope Financial. And then I'll come a lot more onto the Camino and DAP in a couple of slides. But basically, we have a number of banking partnerships in Europe, globally in the US, offering various different payment capabilities. From SEPA, so we can provide instant SEPA transfers. We offer multi-currency IBANs. So if you want to collect in any one of 15 different currencies, currently soon to go up to about 35. You can collect in Aussie dollars, you can hold it on your dashboard, and then you can make a SWIFT payment out. We offer a US dollar bank account as well, so we can collect in USD, we provide ACH, domestic and international wires, and we also issue Visa business debit cards as a Visa principal member. So we have a broad offering on the payment side, and we continue to enhance that. We're also a Visa principal member, so we effectively build and manage card programs. You may recognize the card there and the logo in the top right-hand corner. It's Gate.io. We launched from scratch, basically, our card program, where we program manage their card offering across their European client base. But we can build programs from start to finish. We can provide BIN sponsorship. We can issue virtual cards, digital cards, tokenized, physical cards, and we can basically tailor a program based on our clients' requirements. Just move on. There we go. So what is our role in the Camino blockchain? We basically issue and redeem stablecoins through our VASP license in Lithuania. So we're starting with Euro, SH, is our stablecoin. It's 100% backed by fiat. So by depositing Euro fiat into SH Digital's account, we then issue the stablecoin, and that is 100% backed. So as part of being a licensed entity, all client funds that reside with us are then safeguarded as per EU requirements. So it's 100% backed stablecoin. We issue the smart contract between our client and the VASP, and we also provide FX services. So if you're bringing in sterling, you're bringing in Aussie dollar, other currencies, we can then convert that into euro to enable you then to issue the stablecoin. We maintain client segregated accounts, so all our funds are segregated and safeguarded as per EU requirements. And if you need, and we'd love to talk more about this, we can open dedicated accounts for you to facilitate that transfer between yourself, your account, and being able to move that money onto the Camino network. So just to cover off, so we're starting with Euro. I have been asked already today, when's USD coming? When's GBP coming? It will be coming soon. We're going to start with the Euro. It is to say 100% backed by fiat. It's not asset backed. It's not a hybrid or algorithmic. Don't need to get too involved in that technical stuff, but I've covered that off in terms of how we operate. And hopefully, demand, permitting, we'll get the USD SH stablecoin out pretty soon. So how do you start? So we've created a DApp. It's going live on the 14th of November. So you go onto the DApp, you register, you basically onboard, you link your through MetaMask to the Camino network, and basically then you're set up to with your own account. This is the new UI that's launching soon. So that's your own dashboard, so you can redeem and buy and manage your whole portfolio there. If you want to load tokens, so there's a couple of ways to do it. You'd need to, from your own account, your IBAN, which is set up at time of registration, you move money into SH Digital's account, which is held with us, as I say, it's completely safeguarded. And then from there, you make a transfer, you enter your Camino wallet ID, and then your dashboard immediately shows how much tokens you've got. And then you're basically with Euro SH stablecoin. To transfer tokens, you just need another participant's mobile phone, and you can transfer that money instantly. And should you wish to redeem the tokens, you basically just go back in reverse. So, you redeem your tokens, and we then credit either your account with us or your IBAN that was captured on registration. I guess, in terms of the benefits of having an account with us, if you're having your funds with us and you'd want to move money onto the Camino network, it's a ledger transfer basically. It's an instant transfer, free of cost between your account, SH Digital, allowing you quickly to move money onto the network, and then in reverse as well. I put up some indicative pricing. This really what we're trying to achieve is make this a success for everybody, to support you. As I say, you don't necessarily need to open an account with us, but we'd love to facilitate that process. And this is just some of the pricing. So account opening fee, maintenance fees, some indicative pricing. We've kept SEPA in, SEPA out, very low cost. We usually have a percentage attached to that. SWIFT, it's not cheap, but we'll try and keep that as low as possible. And then to issue Euro SH, 15 basis points, and then should you wish to redeem it, it's 35 basis point out. This is purely just indicative pricing, and we'd love to work with you in terms of coming up pricing that works for you and your company. So just to wrap up, I think I'm doing okay for time. I know lunch is calling. But at SH, we're continually innovating. We've got a lot of new stuff that's in the pipeline. We're bringing out our new core banking platform, which looks like this. So we will soon be issuing cards, designing new cards linked to the platform, so you can have your own IBAN, you can have your own business card linked to that IBAN, or it's a consumer offering. It's fully API agnostic. We will white label the platform as well, so should you wish to offer this platform to your customer base, we can completely customize, white label that platform, or you can just connect into our back end through APIs. Making it easy, I said at the beginning, our role is to aggregate financial services. We're bringing out payment links, so when you send out invoicing to clients, they'll be able to click on the link, you'll be able to make that payment, their clients will be able to make that payment, credit straight back to your bank account. So, we're continually looking at new ways to make your life easier, and we're very excited to be on this journey with you, and, looking forward to networking, during this event, and if we can help you in any way. Thank you very much.